Hey, what's going on, my math party people? Anderson here, your ASVAB coach. So, we are looking at polynomials here, looking at distributing the distributive property. You can call it foiling, binomial distribution, whatever you want to call it. But at the end of the day, a lot of people have some issues with this, especially when it comes to, well, multiplying variables, how to know you're actually done, checking your work, all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this, but don't forget, we have a free class tonight. If you're watching this on Monday, we have a free class tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern for this exact topic. So make sure you are ready to join if you're available. That way you can raise your score for free with me rhyming. All right, let's go ahead and get to it here. Let's have a good time. X plus 9 multiplied by x minus 4. There's actually a very straightforward way to think about multiplying and distributing variables of any kind. Really, the rule is this: make sure that everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. That's the main idea. Make sure that everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. As long as you follow that main idea, it doesn't matter if it's 2 by 2, so 2 terms, x9, x minus 4, 2 terms. Doesn't matter if it's 2 terms by 2, doesn't matter if it's 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 1 by 5, doesn't matter. Just make sure that everything from one side multiplies with everything from the other, and you're fine. When it comes to 2 by 2s like this, you might recognize this as FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. You may think of it like that too. But here's the thing. The main idea is this. Just make sure that everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. X times x is x squared, because anything times itself is squared. 5 times 5, 5 squared. 10 times 10, 10 squared. X times x, x squared. So then make sure that that x multiplies with that x and also multiplies with that minus 4. So negative 4 multiplied by x. First, keep it cool. Start with the sign. A positive times a negative is a negative. A 4 times an x, well, there's no number in front of the x. There is a 1 there. So 1 times 4 is just going to be 4. There's no other variable, so just repeat the x. Then you'll go ahead and keep moving here. The 9 now, since we already exhausted the x with both x and negative 4, again, we made sure that everything from here multiplies with everything from the other, right? Yeah. Now here, we're going to take the 9 with the x and the 9 with the negative 4. It is that simple, everybody. Again, just make sure everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. So 9 times x, 9x. Then 9 times negative 4. Well, a positive times a negative gives me a negative. And then 9 times 4 gives me 36. Boom. So if you notice, we actually just did FOIL. Notice this, look. First, outside, inside, last. We just did FOIL. But if you stick to the idea of, again, multiplying everything from one parentheses with everything from the other, you can change the problem up. You can get something like this. You can get something like this, seriously, and handle it like a boss. You can do a 3 by 3, as crazy as that looks. You can do that though, because all you have to do is make sure that everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. Again, you can get a problem like this done, no problem, no problem, no problem. Obviously, there's a lot more steps there, but it's still just the same. It's the same process. So make sure you understand that nice and well. That way, even if the problem is a little more complicated than you're used to, you can still handle it like a boss. So here we are. Now that we've done the multiplication, we're not done. The last step that we need to take care of is called combining like terms. So we'll combine like terms. All right. So to combine like terms, all we need to do is spot the terms that have the same variables and the same exponent. So very key, okay? Same variables, so x's, but also the same exponent. Only these. Only the negative 4x and the positive 9x. So make sure that when you combine like terms, make sure that you are bringing the signs with you. We have a negative 4x and a positive 9. Negative 4 plus 9, remember this, everybody, to give yourself an easier time. Negative 4x plus 9 is the same thing as saying this. It's the same thing as saying 9x minus 4x. It's the same thing. So you can, not let your anxiety take over. If you understand how addition and subtraction works, you can go ahead and just see the easy way right away. And so 9 minus 4 is going to give us 5. And so our answer here will be x squared plus 5x minus 36, making answer choice C the correct answer, just like that. And so remember, getting ready to take the ASVAB is much more than just getting the question right. It's about being able to do it efficiently and in the least amount of time possible. And that's why I'm hosting this free class tonight. I want you to join, and even if you can't join, go ahead and reach out to me. So you can join with that link or the link in the description, or you can go ahead and reach out to me directly. There's my number right there. Feel free to text me. My number is 567-698-8867. I've got your back all day. All right, so just let me know what your name is and your situation, and I'll go ahead and make my recommendation moving forward. I offer all of my recordings, all of my problems, and my support all the way until you pass. So please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. If I helped you out, let me know. And if you plan on joining, let me know. I'll see you guys later. Let's keep acing the ASVAB. I got your back. Let's go. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button up here. That way you can get more great content from us. Or text ASVAB to that number. That way you can join us for a free class and get a free mini course at the same time. And then look forward to the next video. That way you can continue crushing it and raising your score. Anderson, your ASVAB coach here. See you next time.